Hey, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, and taking good care of yourself. So, I welcome you all in the English class. So, in the previous chapter, we were doing God of the Wind. I hope you have all understood the chapter, and we have also done some spellings, also new spellings, which is to be learned by you. Okay. So without wasting our time, today we will solve the exercises. See, I have already solved it, and if you want to write in your own words also, you can write it, or any other answer in your own words, you can write it. So the first one is, write true or false for the false statements. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Ramesh was 13 years old. I have corrected it. Ramesh was 11 years old. Next one is, Ramesh always threw the garbage in the dustbin. Ramesh always threw the garbage into the river that flowed near their cottage. Isn't it? Next, the place where garbage was thrown became dirty. True. Ramesh saw a woman wearing a silver crown coming out of the river. No. Ramesh saw a man wearing a golden crown coming out of the river. Next one, the person who came out of the river was very happy. The person who came out of the river was very sad. Next, the water of the river had become dirty because of a factory. No, the water of the river had become dirty because of the throwing garbage into the water. Next one, the teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into the river. The teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into the pit, into a pit. Right. Next one, answer the questions briefly. So, what was Ramesh's daily routine? Ramesh's daily routine was to throw garbage into the river that flowed near their cottage. Next question, how did the god of water look? The god of water was tall and fair, holding a golden pot full of water. Right? Why was the god of water sad? The god of water was sad because Ramesh was throwing the garbage and polluting it. Next one, what might happen to a person who drinks dirty water? The person may be affected by diseases like jaundice and typhoid. So, today we will discuss only these two question and answer, A3 and A4. And I hope you will all write in the book as well as in the copy. I have written for you all, and I hope there is no issues in this question answers. If you can ask me, okay, because all the answers I have written from the book itself. If you want to change the words, anything, you can change it. So this is a small help from my side. Okay. So next topics we will do in the next class. And if you have any issues in the chapter, you can ask me in the class itself. Okay. So I hope you have understood whatever I have written, because I have also explained clearly. So I don't think that you will get confused, because each and every question and each and every statement I have read it out, right? So I hope you will not face any difficulty. So I'll end my class today here now. All of you take care, be happy, stay fit, stay healthy, respect your teachers and elders, stay at home, right? And study hard, and take a very good care of yourself and your family. So all of you take care, bye, and have a very nice day. Bye, take care, see you in the next class. Bye students, take care.